Ever pondered the importance of test management and automation in software development? It's a question that's become increasingly relevant as the industry evolves. Test management and automation are not just fancy buzzwords. They are crucial components of a successful software development process. Test management is the process of tracking and controlling the testing activities, while automation involves the use of special software to control the execution of tests. Together, they can greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your development efforts. This is why they're increasingly becoming a standard practice in the industry. They help to ensure that software is delivered on time, within budget, and with the expected level of quality. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or you're just getting your feet wet in the world of software development, test management and automation are topics you can't afford to ignore. So, let's dive into understanding what a software development process looks like with and without test management and automation. Imagine a software development process without test management and automation. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? Let's delve a bit deeper into this scenario. The traditional software development process is like a complex dance with various steps and stages, from ideation to design, coding to testing, and finally deployment and maintenance. Each stage is crucial, and each must be executed with precision and care. Without test management in place, tracking the progress of tests and understanding their results can become a Herculean task. Think about a project that involves multiple teams working on different modules of the same software. If there's no centralized system to manage and track the tests, chaos is inevitable. The teams might miss out on sharing crucial information, leading to the risk of bugs slipping through the cracks. Similarly, imagine a scenario where testing is done manually. It's not hard to see how this could be a time-consuming and inefficient process. Let's say a software application has 500 different features to test. If each feature takes about 10 minutes to test manually, we're looking at over 80 hours of testing. That's 2 full work weeks. And that's not even accounting for the inevitable human errors that can occur from such repetitive tasks. Moreover, without automation, regression testing can become a nightmare. Every time a new feature is added or an existing one is modified, the entire software needs to be tested again to ensure that no new bugs have been introduced. Imagine doing this manually over and over again. It's like painting a huge wall with a tiny brush. And then there's the scenario where a bug is found late in the development cycle. Without proper test management and automation, these bugs can go unnoticed until the last minute, causing delays, cost overruns, and a lot of stress. Without test management and automation, the software development process can be a lot more complicated and error-prone. So, as we move forward, it's important to remember that these tools aren't just optional extras. They're essential components of a smooth, efficient, and successful software development process. Now, picture a software development process with test management and automation. Quite a game changer, isn't it? Imagine a scenario where there are multiple teams working on a large-scale software project. With test management and automation, the coordination between these teams becomes a breeze. The testing phase, which usually consumes a considerable chunk of the development cycle, is significantly reduced. This means that the software can be delivered faster without compromising on its quality. In this scenario, test management serves as the backbone, helping to plan, coordinate, and monitor the testing activities. It ensures that all test cases are organized and tracked systematically, making it easier to identify and rectify any potential issues. The visual dashboards and reports generated by test management tools provide a clear overview of the testing progress and the health of the project. On the other hand, test automation plays a pivotal role in executing repetitive test cases. Think of a feature that needs to be tested across different browsers or operating systems. Doing this manually would be time-consuming and prone to human error. But with test automation, these tests can be run simultaneously, saving a lot of time and effort. Now let's consider another example. Regression testing. This involves testing the existing functionalities of the software whenever a new feature is added or an existing one is modified. Doing this manually for every change can be quite tedious. But with automation, these tests can be run overnight or over the weekend without any human intervention. These are just a few instances that illustrate the positive impacts of test management and automation. By implementing these practices, businesses can reap numerous benefits such as better efficiency, reduced errors, and faster delivery times. It's like having a well-oiled machine that ensures your software development process runs smoothly and efficiently. With test management and automation, the software development process can be significantly streamlined and improved. So, what are the key points to take away from this discussion? Let's revisit the essence of our conversation: the importance of test management and automation in software development. In the world of software, these two elements work as the backbone, ensuring a smooth, efficient, and error-free development process. Imagine a software development process without test management and automation. It's a bit like trying to navigate a maze in the dark, isn't it? You're likely to hit dead ends, encounter unexpected obstacles, and spend an inordinate amount of time trying to find your way. The result? Delays, inefficiencies, and a high potential for errors. Now, let's bring test management and automation into the picture. Suddenly the lights are on in the maze. You can see where you're going, anticipate obstacles, and find the fastest, most efficient route to your destination. And the best part? You can do it all in a fraction of the time it would take without these tools. Test management is the compass that guides the software development process. It provides a structured approach to managing, tracking, and reporting on tests, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the software testing landscape, allowing you to spot issues before they become significant problems. On the other hand, test automation is the engine that powers the development process. It eliminates the need for manual testing, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. Instead, tests are automated, running at lightning speed and pinpointing issues with laser-like precision. The result? Faster development cycles, reduced costs, and higher quality software. In essence, test management and automation work hand in hand to streamline the software development process. They bring structure, speed, and accuracy, transforming the way we build software. In conclusion, test management and automation have become indispensable tools in the software development process, ensuring efficiency, accuracy, and speed. Remember, the future of software development hinges on automation and effective test management.